Hi, I guess ako na naman ang nasa harap niyo. This day, I will just magkukwento lang ako ng mga bagay-bagay. I feel like I need to let out some things. And sorry if naririnig niyo yung pusa sa gilid. And I look very dark because the lighting here is not great. But yeah, anyways, today felt I felt a weird feeling. Although naranasan ko na siya for the for the past years of my life. You know, when you feel like you're very very down. Like, I'm not actually sad, but I don't have the capacity to do anything. It's like I don't want to go do something. I just want to lie in my bed all day. Earlier, I don't even feel like I don't feel like going to school because I feel so tired and just down. You know that feeling that gusto mo na lang humiga, gusto mo na lang magpahinga, even though nothing's wrong naman or nothing's happened naman for the past weeks, days to cause that problem. It's just today I feel very tired. And throughout the class kanina, throughout the whole day, I was so silent na yung klase ko, maybe they're asking me, not directly though, if I'm okay or it's all just in my head. Even mga teachers, I guess, napansin nila na I'm not giving that much emotion kanina. And I can't help it. Sometimes may mga ganong face ako sa buhay, sa mga araw. And tomorrow, I'll try my best na mag-smile and be normal again, I guess. Yeah, that was a strange day, I would say. And yung mga taong nasa paligid ko, hindi ko napapansin. Hindi ko napapansin. Wala akong energy para pansinin sila. And now that I'm in our home, I feel bad na ganun yung in-act ko towards sa kanila. And babawi ako tomorrow, I guess. And you know what? I've read so many posts, so many paragraphs, so many essays about the inconvenience, not inconvenience exactly, but how nonchalant people really are. Like, they're not showing their true selves because being nonchalant, being silent is cool, I guess, sa ating society. Being nonchalant is like you're mysterious kind of person. Like you're a mysterious kind of you're a mysterious kind of person. Oh, sorry, I picked my nose. And nonchalance hides this part of you na ikaw na ikaw kanina. I'm so nonchalant kanina na I feel like I haven't lived this day. It felt like I haven't lived this day. It felt like I was just drifting and yung oras ay lumipas. And I guess, yeah.